everybody, hope you're good. If you're new around here, hi, my name is Abby, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. So in today's video, I actually wanted to review a single product from the brand Altruist. So this brand is no stranger, I want to say. If you're in the skincare community, you definitely have heard of Altruist. They have this I want to say, is it £8, about £8 sunscreen that comes in a really big tube. If you watch Wayne Goss or Dr. Dre, you would have heard about that sunscreen. And yeah, Altruist is just well known. If you haven't heard of them, they're big in Japan, in China. No, they're big everywhere. They're a very well known sunscreen and skincare brand that give you really affordable well formulated products for a very affordable price, and they sell on Amazon. I think they do have their own website, but I'm guessing the majority of their traffic or like their revenue probably comes from Amazon. So this particular product, I do have an upcoming sunscreen review for their Altruist sunscreen, by the way, which I have used for quite a while. But the products I'm going to talk about today is their Altruist. We already know we're talking about Altruist. The products I wanted to talk about is their 10% Urea Dry Skin Repair Cream. So this is what it looks like. And so I mentioned Wayne Goss because Wayne Goss was the one that put me onto this. He called me up personally and he said, girl, you need to get on this. No, he didn't. I watched a video a while back. I don't even know how many. Has it been 2-3 months? Whenever he did the video, and he talked about this particular product. And when in fact, I think I put his video on pause. That's how serious I was. I put his video on pause and I bought it. When I saw the price, I was like, yep, add to cart. So this is a £5 10% urea cream, and it is absolutely amazing. So on the actual packaging, it says this ultra rich intensive daily moisturizing treatment, medical grade formulation, and it's fragrance free. So on the back it says a carefully balanced protective cream that helps strengthen the skin, restore the body's natural barrier function, and prevent moisture loss. Formulated with urea and glycerin to repair, smooth, and reduce roughness without irritation by restoring moisture, promoting healing, and enhancing hydration. Enriched with bisabolol, I hope I'm pronouncing it properly, which has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. And then it says Altruist Dermatologist Dry Skin Cream is easily absorbed, cosmetically elegant, and offers long-lasting dry skin relief with zero white cast. It doesn't really need to say that because it's not a sunscreen product, but anywho. Optimum urea concentration at 10% to regulate moisture balance and restore lipid levels for even the driest of skins. So this was created by consultant dermatologist Dr. Andrew Burney to deliver ultimate hydration for skin that needs it most. So this is great for people who have psoriasis, eczema, dermatitis, and just dry, rough, or scaly skin. It just says you have to apply it daily to the areas where it's needed after washing or cleansing for maximum benefit. And it also can be used as hand cream to prevent irritant contact dermatitis. Avoid contact with eyes and sensitive areas, and always patch test 72 hours before use if concerned regarding allergy. So yeah, you get 200 ml of product in here, and it's amazing. I love this thing because I use tretinoin. If you don't already know, I did do a couple of reviews on tretinoin products from a service called dermatica.com, and it's an online subscription kind of, not subscription, it's an online skincare, like dermatologist based website where you put all your skincare concerns. You get prescription products, and you get your prescription monthly or quarterly, however frequently you need it, and whatever formulation you get is unique to whatever it is you filled out in your form. So it's a very personal service, and it's amazing because the first prescription is free. You only pay shipping, and then you obviously start paying after the first, so you get a whole month to try out whatever prescription you get, which is amazing. You don't really get that kind of service too often. So I've been using Dermatica for a very long time. The products I get from them, like I said, is tretinoin, and because tretinoin is just one of those products that can irritate your skin even if your skin is used to it. So my skin has been used to it, But sometimes, like at some different points in the year, sometimes I will get like a dry some like dry flaky skin. Not a lot at all, nothing that can't be exfoliated away, but I might just wake up, or like during the day, right, sorry, sidetrack, sometimes my morning skincare routine goes well. Later on I might choose to apply my makeup, and usually at the point when I apply powder, like whenever I need to like apply friction to my face, sometimes I'll just randomly see like dry patches that weren't there the morning after, like the morning of application. So it's really weird. So sometimes I get dry patches, and I like to use, after exfoliation, I just like to use like hydrating protective creams. When I heard about this, normally I would use like my normal moisturizers. I would load up on my serums and also top up on Vaseline at night as well. That is amazing. So if you think you can't use Vaseline if you have oily, acne prone skin, think again. It is amazing, especially if you're using a drying treatment product like tretinoin. But when I heard about this, I did use this, and I also used it because I think some of the reviews also mention that you can use it on the back of your feet, like for like dry cracked heels. My feet, the heels aren't cracked, but it's definitely dry just from like every day, just using your feet every day. And normal moisturizers don't really give that hydration, like that that ultra hydration that I need. So that's actually the main reason I bought it. I bought it to try on my face, and it's been great on my face. No breakouts, no irritation. I also use it on my feet at night as well. So I just put some on, put my socks on, and sleep sometimes with my socks on. Or you can use it just at any point. It says you can use it as hand cream, so it's great. I mean, it's quite big. If you have like a lot of space in your bag, fine, but I think they definitely could stand to come out with a smaller tube for those people who do want to use this as a hand cream, because it's quite a big tube. But it's great for dry skin. My daughter had some like dry patch on her face. She moisturizes every day with a regular lotion, but I think it was just like the changing of the seasons. She ended up with like a dry patch. I was using this on top of her normal moisturizer, and within a few weeks the dry patch went. This is a really good product. I just wanted to kind of talk about Urea. So a site that I like to refer to is healthline.com, because a lot of the facts that you get on there are from like medical professionals, so doctors. So you get a lot of the facts that I get from Healthline, or a lot of the articles that you read are written by doctors. They are fact checks, so it's easier to just refer to that. So I wanted to know a bit more about Urea, because I know I've heard of Urea in the treatment of eczema, definitely. So Urea is not a new thing to me. It's just I didn't know there was a Urea product for like, is it £5 that I spent on this, and for 200 mls, which is amazing. I wanted to look more into Urea and just like let you guys know if you were interested. So Urea is included, so I'm just reading off this website. I will also have it on the screen so you can read along. So it says, you've recently looked closely at the label. So it says, if you've recently looked closely at a label on your moisturizer, you may have seen Urea listed in the ingredients list. Urea is included in a variety of cosmetics and skincare products for its moisturizing and exfoliating properties. The Urea used in skincare products is made synthetically in a lab, but Urea is also naturally found on your skin and is excreted in urine. Interesting. And then obviously we want to talk about the actual role of Urea. So it talks about the actual skin first. So the outer layer of your skin is called your epidermis, and it can be divided into 5 sublayers. The outermost sublayer, so the closest to the outer layer, is the stratum corneum, and it keeps unwanted molecules from entering your body and prevents water loss through your skin. So the water retaining property of the stratum corneum largely comes from a group of substances known as your natural moistening factors, NMFs. So if you've heard of that phrase, it's actually from the moisturizer in The Ordinary. So that also has NMFs, natural moisturizing factors. So among these NMFs are urea, various amino acids, lactic acid, and pyrrolidone carboxylic acid. So Urea is used in a variety of skincare products to target general skin dryness or medical conditions associated with dry or itchy skin. Urea can also help exfoliate dead skin buildup and may help target fungal infections. So at the top it says it moisturizes your skin, it exfoliates, increases the action of some medication, and yeah, so it can be used for calluses, corns, and some nail problems, and a whole bunch of different dry skin conditions, which is amazing. Yeah, so I've heard of urea being used for eczema, and I know it can be used for like cracked feet, but I didn't actually think you could just use it every day, but it seems like you can, because this is a dry skin repair cream for those who have dry skin, so you can use it. Yeah, so those are the fun facts on urea, and if you were interested, this, I think, yes, it is only £5. I have one, my daughter has one. I'm definitely gonna buy more of this. This is an amazing product. It absorbs really well. It's a really good formula. It's not greasy at all, which is what I would expect for something that's targeted for dry skin. I absolutely love it. It's so good. Yeah, and it's fragrance free as well if you're worried about fragrance. Not that I am, but I guess when you're dealing with, like, I don't know, typically irritated skin like eczema, or skin that's dealing with dermatitis or anything else, I can appreciate that fragrance can definitely be irritating to some people. So it's great that it's fragrance free, and it's a great moisturizer for the winter as well, especially now that we are in autumn and we're transitioning into like colder weather. This is an amazing product. I use it as a topper for my daughter, and I also use it like on my heels, on my hands. I use it on my face sometimes when I get like what do you call it, like dry patches. Yes, and it's fine to use on the face, and it's just great because it's not greasy. I just love it for that. It's extremely conditioning and moisturizing. My skin feels nice and soft after using this. So that is everything I wanted to mention on this particular product. So that is everything. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, if you don't want to miss any other videos. And while you're subscribing, hit that little bell so you get notified when I next upload. So until next time, stay blessed. Have a great morning, afternoon, evening, or night, wherever you are. And I will catch you in my next video. Bye.